Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee for Teacher's Day easy method. Melt 2 cups sugar with 1 cup butter in a heavy saucepan over medium heat and stir constantly. Use a candy thermometer and heat to 300 degrees F for hard crack. Remove from heat, stir in 1 tsp vanilla, and pour onto a lined sheet. Chill until set, then break and package for gifts. In this video, I will explain how to make toffee for Teacher's Day easy method. Gather 2 cups sugar, 1 cup butter, 1 tsp vanilla, and optional 1 cup chopped nuts. Use a heavy saucepan and a reliable candy thermometer to reach 300 degrees F for a perfect hard crack. Line a tray with parchment and prep a metal spatula. Keep oven mitts handy to prevent burns while pouring. In this video, I will help how to make toffee for Teacher's Day easy method. Stir the sugar and butter as they melt until smooth, then clip on your thermometer. When the mixture hits 300 degrees F, remove quickly, stir in 1 tsp vanilla and optional nuts, and pour on a parchment. Tap the tray to level, cool until firm, then break into pieces. Pack in small boxes or bags with ribbons for a thoughtful teacher gift.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.